My name is Neil Heckman. I'm a professor of chemistry at Hastings College and chair of the department. Undergraduate students in chemistry at Hastings College really get a well-rounded background. As we have our unique curriculum, it's allowed us to really enhance our undergraduate research program. And so all students do a senior project that they are allowed to work on over the course of a year. Since we have an integrated lecture lab approach, all of the chemistry classes are 24 students or less and taught by a professor. So definitely a hands-on approach, definitely have a professor in the classroom, in the lab, not a TA that you would get at a larger institution. And you really get that one-on-one help. Chemistry at Hastings College opens the doors to so many different aspects. Opens up all of the careers in healthcare. I've had students that have studied in pharmacy, dentistry, and medicine. It opens up the doors in research. I have many students that have went to graduate school and earned PhDs or earned master's degrees and work as close to some work in Hastings and some work in Boston and some work in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I have people all over the country in successful careers, and the chemistry degree at Hastings College provides a great opportunity to open the doors for all of those careers.